Welcome to the kitchen. We're gonna make some sesame chicken today. It's probably my favorite chicken recipe I've ever made. So we'll get after that. I'll go over the ingredients and I'm gonna show you one of my methods of meal prep. One of my 5 methods. It is single ingredient. So we will start with that. It's gonna be chicken, and then we will get to the sesame chicken recipe. So here we got the chicken breast. $1.99 a pound from Walmart, so you can't go wrong with that. And grocery stores typically, they'll have deals such as that, $1.99, if not cheaper, so always keep your eye open for that. We're gonna break it down into, I'm gonna do 10-ounce portions, but you could do 6, you could do 8. This is how I do it, I'll show you here. So I have my food scale here. We'll get that set up. I'll put one of my meal prep Tupperwares on there. So these ones are gonna go in the fridge, and then I have some Ziploc bags too I'm gonna put in the freezer, but you'll see how I do it here. Okay, so this is a 10-ounce filet. Now I'm just gonna cut it up with my scissors into little chunks since I don't wanna use a knife. This is efficient, and I'm just gonna put it right into the meal prep container, and it's gonna go in the fridge, and we'll know that that's exactly 10 ounces for when I cook it later on. So what we got of that 5.01 pound package was about 71 ounces, which 5 pounds is 80 ounces. So what they do is they weigh it with the packaging as well. So make sure you do actually weigh it out. But anyway, we got 3 Ziploc bags of 10 ounces. I'm gonna throw those in the freezer, and maybe one of these 3 meal prep containers too. And then I'll leave 2 of them in the fridge for the next couple of days, and then I get to have my sesame chicken recipe fresh every day. But the other thing is the remaining about 11 ounces to get us to 71 ounces. This is gonna go in the sesame chicken recipe that I'm gonna show you right now. For ingredients, all you absolutely need is 8 ounces of chicken breast, a tablespoon of sesame oil or 14 grams, 25 grams of honey, 20 grams of sriracha, and 5 grams of minced garlic. But I like to mix mine with rice and broccoli, so we're gonna add that as well. I'll show you how I do that. Make it really quick in the microwave. So here we got the nice pan. We're gonna weigh out the oil, 14 grams worth. If you wanna do just the tablespoon measuring, you can. Might not be as accurate, so I always just like to weigh it out. And just a little bit of garlic here, kind of guesstimate on it. You could always add some more later, so probably best to just do a little less, but 5 grams seems about right to me. Now that we got one side cooked, we flipped it over, and now we will add the honey and sriracha. Now we'll kind of let that caramelize and let the honey really get into the chicken, and then we will get some broccoli added in there once it is like that, because if you threw the broccoli in now, the broccoli would absorb all the oil and the garlic, sriracha, the honey, and I like it to be in the chicken more than anything, because when it's in the broccoli too much, it makes the chicken almost seem bland. In the meantime, we're gonna get our rice in the microwave for, I just microwave it 3 to 4 minutes, then check it, stir it, add water if I need to, then microwave it more. I just like to make sure it's cooked all the way through and nice and fluff. Once it gets this gorgeous glazy color, then you could add the broccoli. That's what I'd go with. As you're waiting for the broccoli to be cooked thoroughly and the food scales all put away, you got your measurements all down, then you can crack your Busch Light gonna be good already, but damn, some Asian food with Busch Light? You bet. And for a cute garnish, you'll just add a little sesame seed. Hence, sesame chicken. Oh my god, that is so stinking good. The heat I used for the pan was medium. Medium heat. I actually went up and down a little bit, just depending how if it was splattering or not. As long as you get it cooked thoroughly and just watch the chicken until it gets nice and orangish, reddish, and then you could add in the broccoli, if you're gonna add in the broccoli. But the macros for just the chicken are right here. That's the video, guys. This is easily a top 3 chicken recipe for me. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time in the kitchen. Cheers.